I think I'll go walk up here real quick and just take a look at it. See where the fire all started. I just need to get some gas and then I can go do some other long riding. There's a place I wanted to go up to today to see if they've opened it back up, because about, I think it was a year ago, there was a forest fire up a couple miles above our house, so we were put on edge because of that wildfire. But there was a whole section of national forestry that was closed off for a while because they didn't want the road being torn down. Llamas! But I thought I'd go check that place out and see if it's open or closed or what. But I know it's gated off. This corner is stinking sharp. I'm always cautious around this corner. There's a lot of loose gravel on the outside edge of it, and then a lot of it probably gets kicked in too, so I don't want to hit that. I have dirt tires, so they don't get the best grip for pavement. I do want to get some street tires for this thing, because I ride it mostly on the street. So I'll probably get some 90-10s or something like that. Leaning more towards the on-road side. Wrong side. .4 gallons. Okay. Oh, and now it's starting to sprinkle. Down in the bottom of the ravine down there is the river, and it's the Clackamas River. And all across those hillsides over there, up to the left side of the ravine, is where the fire was burning. Let's see, I think this was part of the area where there was a burn, where the fire burned. Yeah, this is part of it right here. Some of the fire burned along here. And it burned all up that hillside over there. It skipped over to the other side and burned over there a little bit too. But it's just incredible seeing all of the brush underneath the undergrowth all burned out and gone. They had it closed off, this road closed off for quite a while, because the rocks and logs and stuff kept falling down onto the street, onto the road down here. Oh, it looks like they had moved the whole thing over a little bit too. But there was big potholes in the road for a while. A tree came down over there. But yeah, the fire was just burning up the hillside, so it was making it very hard for the firefighters to try to put it out. It was a challenging fire, from what I've read. Let's see, it skipped over. I think it was up here a little ways still. Well, there's a little bit of the burn up over there on the top of that crest over there. The fire all along here. I think they said it burned about 50,000 acres. I think that's about what it was. Burned up in the top up there too. Got someone stationed out here for rock removal. And then where it all started up here was somebody shooting. Is it still closed? Yeah, it looks like it is. Darn. Oh, wait. Oh, it's gated over there. They have the gate closed, so you can't even go on it all the way. I could probably go around it. I don't really want to go up there right now, though. I think it's a nice gate there. Clackamas River down there. This is the Memaloose Bridge, Memaloose Road. All right up to 36 Pit, where the whole fire started. Just burned on the other side of the hill there. There it is. And they have it gated off. So more people can't go shoot up here. I think I'll go walk up here real quick and just take a look at it. See where the fire all started. Well, this is it. They said it started with exploding targets, and there was some brush nearby that caught fire. And they tried putting it out, but it just raced up the hillside way too fast, and they couldn't get it to go out. So probably, well, definitely somewhere along here, unless it's up there more, where, because you could drive up there. I don't know if this gate was open down here when that happened, or what. Oh man, there's so many shells up here. So many. Shotgun and tons of other size of rounds as well. There's the bike. Take the shortcut because I don't want to walk all the way around. Probably just sprain my ankle or something, but that wasn't so bad. Well, that's all I got today, folks. Hauling their stuff in a cart.